During this presentation, I'm going to demonstrate how you can use Dropbox to synchronize your iPhone, iPad and desktop. So here we have an iPhone and an iPad, and we've got our Dropbox folder on our desktop. So if we open up iThoughts, our starting position here is that we have some maps that we've already created. So we have an ideas map, and we have a folder called Home with a to-do list map in there, and we have our standard help folder. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to get all these maps up into Dropbox. So if we choose Send Folder to Cloud and choose all the maps, and we create a Dropbox profile, so here we'll call it Drop, and we'll put in some credentials to log us on. Now we can choose that profile, and we're going to upload in the native ITMZ iThoughts format, and we're going to upload into the My Maps folder on Dropbox, and we'll upload maps and subfolders. So that will upload all of the maps in iThoughts up into Dropbox. So here we can see it already in Dropbox. We have the help folder, the home folder and the ideas map. So we'll delete the help folder because we're not interested in synchronizing that. And now we'll go back into iThoughts. Now we can actually create what we call a cloud folder, which is a folder that will mirror a folder on Dropbox. So we create a new cloud folder, we choose the cloud profile, we're going to choose PDF, Mind Manager and iThoughts formats to sync. We'll now select the folder on Dropbox, and that will now download all of the maps back from Dropbox and store them in a cloud folder within iThoughts. So here we can now see this new folder with a cloud icon next to it that contains our home and ideas maps. So now we can actually delete the original maps from iThoughts because they're now up on Dropbox and have been synced back down into our cloud folder. So there's the ideas map. So now we're all set up. If we make a change to the ideas map, add in a new idea 3, and then simply quit the app, that will automatically then synchronize in the background and upload those changes to Dropbox. So here if we look, give it a second to sync, there we can see the Mind Manager format and the PDF format have all synced back up to Dropbox. So if we open it in Mind Manager, we can see those 3 ideas there. So if we add a new idea in Mind Manager on the desktop and then quit the app and save it, Dropbox will then work its magic in the background and synchronize that Mind Manager file back up into the cloud. If we then run up iThoughts again, that will then have a quick look on Dropbox and see that there's an update and download it. It's there telling me to reopen the map. So if I reopen it, there I can see idea 4. Again, if we create a new topic in iThoughts, idea 5, and then simply quit the app, that will push those changes back up into the cloud, into Dropbox. So if we bring up Finder again, we can see, give it a second to sync, then have a quick look at the PDF. There we can see the new topic that we added. Okay, so that's syncing between iPad and desktop. If we now run iThoughts on the iPhone and we create a new cloud folder on the iPhone, here I've already configured a Dropbox account, and we specify PDF, ITMZ and Mind Manager format again. Choose the same Dropbox folder, My Maps. That will then download those maps from Dropbox and store them in a local cloud folder within iThoughts, just like on the iPad. So there we can see that cloud folder. And if we open the ideas map, there we can see the topics. So if we add a new topic in there, and just like on the iPad, if we just quit the app, that will then push the changes back up to Dropbox. So again, bring up Finder, give it a few seconds to sync, and quick look at the PDF. There we can see the extra topic we just added via the iPhone. This works for folders as well. So if we go back to the iPad app, again it's going to pull down those changes. So the iPhone change there has been pulled down. So if we now create a new folder on the iPad app, and call that work. And then if we create a new map and store that in the work folder, so we'll call that plan. And we'll stick a few topics in there. Task 1 and task 2. Now again, just quit the app, and that will then push this new map and new folder up to Dropbox. So if we look in Finder again, there we can see the work folder has been created, and in there we've got the plan map. So we can look at the PDF, and there we can see the plan map on Dropbox. Run up iThoughts on the iPhone, and that will then see that new work folder and the plan map, and it will download those. So here we can now see the work folder and inside the plan map. As you'd expect, create a new topic on the iPhone, quit the app, that will push the changes up to Dropbox. Quick look in Finder, there we can see the new topic. Run up iThoughts on the iPad, that sees the changes, pulls them down. If we reopen the map, now we can see the new topic. So that's syncing between iPhone, iPad and desktop using PDF and Mind Manager formats. So there we can see all three maps, all synced: iPad, desktop and Mind Manager. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you enjoy using iThoughts. Please do visit the website ithoughts.co.uk/cloud for more information. Thank you.